Hi everyone, this is Lee and welcome to day 14. So yesterday I gave you a PDF file, 28 highly effective ideas for lead magnets. So grab hold of that file if you haven't gone through it first and select the type of lead magnet that you want to create. Now, once you made that selection, now it's time now to actually create that lead magnet. When I first started my business to create my PDFs and things like that, I had to outsource them to graphic designers. But today it's so much easier. There's so many new tools around that we can use, and it's simply drag and drop, and templates are there for you already. So today I'm going to introduce yourself to canva.com. There's a free version as well as a paid version, and I'll share my screen with you now. Okay, here's the screen. It's canva.com. I'm already logged in. So obviously Canva, up top here, canva.com. Just grab hold of that and create a login. I have a paid version because I see the value in having more options that I can use as well. But there's also a free version as well. So let's say, for example, you're in Canva and you've signed in and you go to the home area. These are all of the templates that I've created, but also there's tons of templates that are waiting for you to use as well. So let's go back to our irresistible offers. Say, for example, you chose you want to do a checklist. So I type in checklist there in that area, I hit enter, and then all the PDFs are going to come up and show me what PDFs I can actually use. So here are the PDFs they recommend for checklist, but you also, if you've got any saved, you can go to your own designs as well and bring them up as well. But let's go to the templates that's very generic. So this is just a process where you'll scroll through and you'll choose a template that you like. Okay, so it's just say, for example, we chose this template that we liked, grab hold of that, click it. And here we've got the template in Canva ready for us to edit. When I edit it, I usually expand it so I can read a lot easier, expand it up. And of course, simply you just start over typing the checklist. So I put test checklist or whatever. And you can see how I can just type over, oops, just do one at a time. I can just type over whatever I want to do. So if I want to change the colors to make it my branding or my colors, that's easy as well. Just click on the box or whatever. Here's your color palettes there. You can actually upload your own color palettes in there as well. So everything is consistent with your branding as well. So say, for example, I want to change the color palette. I could change it here. And you see how I changed that one to that color, but I can also change all as well. And that's all that's in that particular template that I'm working with. So if I change all, it'll go through and change them all for me. The same with here with the text, I can change that color. Here, I can change the color, say, to blue if I want to. Again, I can change that as well. So I can play around with it. If I don't like the background here, for example, if I want very plain, I can just go delete and delete that. I can just, again, delete and delete that if I want to, and so forth. And if I want to put extra designs, anything else on it as well, what I can do is hop over here. I do the elements and I can choose shapes, for example. So I might pull in a square. But with the square, I might even rotate it so it's a bit more graphically the way that I want it and extend it out. And then I can sort of then position it backwards. So I can position it backwards and I can bring it further down, or you have whatever design I want to do. So you play around with it and you can make whatever design that you want to make as well, kind of thing, as far as you're concerned. But it's simply playing around. And what I like about Canva as well, that there's actually a learning area as well. So if you go back to the home base, Up here, you've got Learn tab, and this gives you all your tutorials, all your courses, everything that you need to learn to help you to use Canva a lot more productive as well. So as you can see, it's so easy to use. Play around with Canva. Go to the learning area and start to educate yourself and go through those courses as well. I found I used to, when I first started my business, I used to always outsource to Fiverr, or I would outsource to Upwork, places like that. And I just found that I saved so much money by simply buying a subscription of Canva and actually doing it myself. So I play around with it, have fun with it, start to make it very creative, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow on our next challenge. Take care. Bye.